All right, we are in the last example of section 11.1. Finally, 6 of them. So you are designing a favicon for a golf website. Didn't even know that's what it was called. In an image editing program, you move the red rectangle 2 units left and 3 units down. Then you move the red rectangle 1 unit right and 1 unit up. Rewrite the composition as a single translation. So how about this? So we're going to do a composition. Now watch this. So here's how it works. So if you look at the red rectangle, we can see that the vertices of that rectangle are located, and let me get a color that's going to show up well on here. Actually, black would probably look pretty good, I think. This vertex right there of the red rectangle would be at 814. Let's call that point A. Then this vertex, let's call this point B, it appears to be at 1214. This one, let's call it point C, would be at 1211. And then this point D, is located at 811. Now, I want to move that rectangle 2 left and 3 down, right? So let's take every point, let me grab blue now, and move each point 2 left and 3 down. So if I take 814, and actually let's just do it with 1 point. 2 left and 3 down. That would be right here. And so now my point A is, where is that? That's 611. Now, if I then move it 1 to the right and 1 up, so 1 right, so let me get a different color now. I don't think green's going to show too well. Let's try red. 1 to the right and 1 up, now A ends up being right here. Okay, so point A ends up being at 712. Now, what they want us to do is rewrite the composition as a single translation. Well, how far did point A move after the 2 translations? So it went down 3, left 2, then up 1, then right 1, up 1. So let me do that again. It went 2 left, 3 down, and then right 1, up 1. As a result, it went where? 1 to the left and 2 down overall. So the composition as a single translation would be x minus 1, because I went 1 to the left and 2 down. Now, a way you could do that without the picture is if I move 2 left and then 1 right, that's like going minus 2 but then plus 1. Well, minus 2 and plus 1 altogether is minus 1, so I went x minus 1. And then I went 3 down, so that's minus 3, but then 1 up. Negative 3 plus 1, that's negative 2, so the y value went, oops, I went up 2. I should have said down 2. Hopefully you caught that. Glad I went the little extra bit, otherwise I probably wouldn't have caught that. It's a foolish mistake. So yeah, this should have been y minus 2, not plus 2. I didn't go up 2, I went down 2. Left 1, down 2. So we can see what the composition for that rule is. Every one of these points would have done the same thing. I could have gone down 3 and left 2 for B, and then right 1, up 1 for B, and you can see it still went 1 left and 2 down as well. And there you have it. Finally, at long last, we are done with 11.1.